Hey everybody, welcome back to the Missing Wrenches Garage YouTube channel. We're going to pick up exactly where we left off with Jack, which is working on the back end of that truck. So we've got the gas tank in and some other stuff. So let's see what we got and then get to working. Alright, so recap on the project. If you're new here, it was my wife's dad's. He passed and her papa ended up with it and he gave it to her. It's been sitting for over 25 years. It is a 390. The motor was locked up when we got it and I got it broke free and we got it to run, but not good. Last week I had started taking the fuel tank out of it because on this restoration I'm going to start from the back and work my way forward. I feel like that'll just be easier for me right now because I'm going to have to put floor pans in it and probably cab mounts. And so the nuts and bolts that were holding the fuel tank in were so bad rusted that I had to cut them out. And somebody has welded the trailer hitch to the bumper, so I have to cut that out in order to get the gas tank out of it. Alrighty, there's our new gas tank that we're going to be putting in it. And I went ahead and opted for the one with the rollover valve. I've got it down there in the house. We got that new grinder that we so desperately needed last week. And this morning I went and checked my P.O. box. And my mama had sent me that through the fan mail. That's awesome. Thanks, Mom. I get a lot of use out of that. Let's get to cutting. Alright guys, we're getting it slowly but surely. I gotta go get some more cut off wheels. We ended up having to cut the bumper brackets because this thing is just welded all over the place. But as soon as I get some more of those, we'll be back up here. Go ahead and grab.
Hold on. It go right through there?
Yeah.
I knew it would. Alright, go ahead. Now move. Move. It's on imagination. Move. Get back up there. Motherfucker suspension. Alright, pull straight off, let go at the same time. Ready? Go.
Alright guys, we got that old tank out of there. And we got the bumper cut off of it. Look at this thing. Got old rust holes all in it. The inside looks like military camo. It's just awful. But we're gonna crawl up and under here and see how everything looks before we start soaking and pulling the bed bolts out of it. Just a quick heads up, this video is probably going to be a lot of cutting and grinding, but guys, I mean, that's just part of the progress on a restoration. It's got to be done. Alright, so underneath ain't too bad, except that right there, and I guarantee you that is because of that stupid piece of sheet metal that they laid in here and welded to the freaking bed floor instead of fixing it the right way. But the structure of the bed and like the support bars across the bottom are not bad. They have the typical surface rust on them, nothing 415 can't handle. But guys, if you know where I can possibly get a long bed floor, comment down below. Or if you know somebody's got like a 90s bed, I'm pretty sure the bed floor will work out of a 90s model truck. I had one here, but I didn't know that this bed floor was this bad, and I sold the dang truck for $500 freaking dollars. I looked online and the new bed floor is like $1,300. It's ridiculous. Alright guys, let's see what else we can do with the thing. Alright guys, unfortunately I'm at a little bit of a standstill on the truck. I don't want to get too far. I have to finish fabricating the plate to put our winch onto our I-beam hoist thing to get the bed up off of it, because I can't pick it up myself. My papa, he hurts too much. He's getting too weak and too old. And my wife's grandmother is having some health problems, so we're kind of paying attention to that. And but I guess minimal progress is still progress. I got done what I wanted to in this video, which is get the bumper cut the rest of the way off and the tank out. And also, we got to try out both of our new tools that we got. So, that's a plus. But, alright guys, so next Saturday we'll be back in Bowling Green for the Intergalactic Ford Fest. So, that video's coming. I'll have some stickers of the MWG logo that you guys have seen on my shirt. If my cousin gets them done in time, she's got one of those little sticker maker things. She's gonna make me some of them. If you see us up there, holler at me. I can get you a sticker while I've got them. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave a comment of something that you want to see done on the truck. We might do it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Remember, your project won't work unless you do. Keep them out of the crusher. We love y'all. We'll see you next week. Thank you for watching.